大家好 Welcome to Teacher Clint's Mandarin Chinese class. And in today's lesson, we're going to learn the third type of complex sentence in Chinese. The logic is condition. Usually the first clause establishes or shows a condition, and then the second clause explains the result that occurs based on that condition. Basically, the logic is as long as something, then something, right? If something happens, then something else will happen. This is similar with the English conditional sentences. There are a few types: sufficient conditions, necessary conditions, or unconditional situations. Commonly used conjunctions are 只要就 as long as something, then something will happen. 只有才 only if something happens, then something may happen. Right? 无论都 no matter something, and then something always or still. 除非否则 unless something, otherwise something. 不管也 no matter something, and something still or also. Alright, now let's look at the example sentences. As long as you persevere, you can achieve victory. 只要坚持就能胜利. So here, both clauses omit the subject, right? But it's quite obvious we're talking to somebody, so it's like you, right? 只要 as long as the conjunction 就 as long as you persevere 你坚持 so we omit the you 你 leaving only the predicate verb. Here 就 then 能 means can 胜利 succeed or achieve victory. Basically, it means as long as you perceive, you can succeed. As long as the weather is clear tomorrow, we will go to the beach. 只要明天天晴，我们就去海边。Again, we use this 只要就 conjunction, as long as something, then something. 明天 subject, tomorrow. 天晴 mini subject and mini adjective predicate. 天晴 the weather sunny. Okay, so sunny is adjective. Okay, 我们 subject 去海边 go to the beach or go to the seaside. That's a verb phrase. Or we can understand the subject, predicate verb, object, right? Then this conjunction 就 means then we'll do something. Okay, next one. As long as you are willing, I will help you. Again, we use this 只要就 conjunction, meaning as long as something, then something. 你愿意 you are willing. 愿意 means willing, right? So, 你 subject 愿意 this is add predicate. 我 and then 就 then 我帮你 I help you. 帮 is help, you is the object. Okay, next one. Only by practicing more can you improve your spoken language level. So here we use the conjunction 只有才 only by doing something can you do something. Okay. 只有 only by 多练习 多 adverb 练习 practice. So adverb before verb. More practice or practice more in English. 才能 can you 能看提高 verb improve 口语水平 oral English or spoken level or speaking level. Okay, this is a noun phrase as the object of the predicate verb 提高. Next one, only by working hard can you achieve success. Here we use the conjunction 只有才 only by doing something can you do something. 努力工作 so 努力 is an adverb like hard or diligently. 工作 work the verb. Okay. Adverb and verb. 才 can you 能 means can 获得 achieve the verb 成功 success. Okay. Achieve success. Okay. 获得成功 verb plus object. Now next one. No matter what difficulties he encounters, he does not give up. Here we use the conjunction 无论都 no matter something, somebody will still do something. Okay, this is the conjunction 无论 no matter 遇到 means encounter 什么困难 what difficulties. So this is a question word as they are at the place of the answer, right? Maybe this difficulty or that difficulty, right? So predicate verb plus noun as object, 他 subject, 都 still, 不放弃 not give up, 放弃 give up, so 不 negate, don't. Subject and predicate verb. No matter how cold the weather is, Grandpa persists in his morning jog or morning running. Again, the conjunction is 无论都 no matter something, 都 still something. So 无论天气多冷 weather how cold, right? So here 多冷 is the adjective, 天气 subject adjective as the predicate. 爷爷 grandpa subject, 坚持 persist, 晨跑 morning jog, right? So subject, predicate verb, and object. Guys, we do this kind of analysis to make sure you know the grammatical components, right, based on what we learned, and you can analyze the sentence. This will help you understand and construct your own sentences. Next one, unless you apologize, otherwise he will not forgive you. Here we use the conjunction 除非否则 unless something, otherwise something. 除非你道歉，否则他不会原谅你。So here 你 subject, you 道歉 apologize, subject verb, 否则 otherwise, 他 he 不会 will not, okay, will not, 原谅 forgive, you 你 as the object. So here is a subject, a negative predicate, and object. Next one, unless it rains heavily, otherwise the match will be held on time. 除非下大雨，否则比赛将按时举行。So here we use the conjunction 除非 to show the condition, right? 下大雨 rain heavily or fall heavy rain, okay? 否则 otherwise the conjunction. 比赛the subject, the noun as the subject, 将按时举行。So 将 will 按时 is on time as adverb. 举行 hold, but here is a passive voice. 按时被举行, right? The match will hold or be held on time. Subject, adverb, and predicate verb. No matter what others say, I will still stick to my own dream. 不管别人怎么说，我也要坚持自己的梦想。So 不管 no matter 也要 no matter something, still somebody still will somebody still. This is a paired conjunction. 别人怎么说？别人 other people subject 怎么说 how they say, right? How to say, or whatever or however people say, right? So subject and adverb and verb. 我 subject 也要will 坚持 the predicate verb 坚持 insist or persist 自己的梦想 the noun phrase as the object. Next one, no matter how busy work is, he will still find time to accompany his children. 不管工作多么忙碌，他也会抽时间陪孩子。So here the conjunction is 不管也 okay, it means no matter something, somebody still do something. 不管工作 work subject 多么忙碌 however or how busy, right? So subject, noun and adjective as subject predicate. 他 subject 会 will 抽时间 take time 陪孩子 accompany children. So we put the two verbal phrases together as a chronological sequence, right? Do A, do B, right? And next one, no matter how difficult the exam is, I will still give it a try. 不管考试有多难，我也要去试一试。So here, 不管 no matter 也still the paired conjunction or correlative conjunction. 考试 subject 有多难 how difficult adjective. 我 subject I 要 will 去 go to 试一试 try have a try. Again, the verb and the verb phrase put together as do something to do something. All right, pretty good, everybody. Today we learned the third type of complex sentence in Chinese. 再见。